You're my best friend and my future. I love and admire you like no other. You're my rock, my inspiration, my amazing mother to our children, Poppy and Albert. I love your caring and thoughtful ways, and I know how incredibly lucky we are to have you in our lives. We bonded quickly over our mutual love of travel and adventure, and I can't wait for you to be my wife and continue making memories and having adventures together. So today, in front of our family and friends, I vow to always be there for you, be by your side, and always on your team. I will always prioritise you and the children and support you to achieve whatever you dream.
Pete, this is going to drive me mad. Here we are today in one of our favourite places with all of our favourite people to celebrate our love. You are my partner in life, my greatest cheerleader, the father of our beautiful children, my best friend, and I love you with everything that I am. I promise to be yours always, for richer, for poorer, in sickness, in health, in failure and in triumph. Whatever life throws at us, we'll face it together, as a family, as a team, forever and always. Oh, I'm going to need to redo my makeup after this.
Having said your vows and exchanged your wedding rings, as well as expressed your love for each other before me and all of these witnesses, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Peter and Sarah, at the end of the ceremony and beginning of your marriage, I wish you many beautiful years of sailing together through life, full of love and happiness. Remember to always nurture and respect these promises and vows that you have said to each other today. Congratulations!
I promise to love you in good times and in bad, when life seems easy and when it gets tough. I promise to cherish you, respect you, and be faithful to you always. These things I give you today and forever.